Hello community, I hope you are doing good. In this discussion we will see how to prevent HTTP calls, and in case you missed previous discussion about what is master password and how to reset the master password, please check, link is given in the description. If you want to learn more about Odoo, you can visit the WebLearns channel. Under the home screen you can see Odoo 17 and 18 development tutorial. Right now we are working on this playlist. By the way, if you are a beginner and want to learn from the beginning, you can visit this playlist because this is the main playlist and those are the subtopic wise playlist available. Alright, so let's back to our main topic. Guys, if you didn't subscribe this channel, please subscribe. It will give you the latest upcoming sessions notification. Alright, so let's say how I can prevent HTTP requests from all of the users. For example, let's say if I'm trying to click to the student profile, or let's say I'm trying to access any of the Odoo service, right, using the correct port number, still the user will prevent from the browser or from the XML RPC call. How we can do that, right? So for that we can do one way, and there is one more command is there, no HTTP. So for example, python -odoo-bean, you can see here this is the common let's say the service I'm trying to access, right? You can see here still I'm accessing the front end side, right? There is a one common method, the XML RPC I have designed, right? It will automatically return the student profile. So you can see here like this using the XML RPC. Why I'm showing you, you will understood in a few seconds. Clear? You can see here, right? And then after we have to provide here no HTTP. Once I click like this, and now you can see it will perform like this, right? Here let's say I'm trying to refresh the screen, and now you can see you are offline. Okay, how many times of I'm trying to request to the Odoo server, right? I'm not getting any single request. You can see here, right? Plus, let's say if I'm trying to do some XML RPC, you can see connection refused. You can't also see here the logs, right? Using this dask no dask HTTP. If I will remove that command, and now it will work normally. So let's say here, right? I'm getting the data. And once I click to refresh the screen, and now you can see I can access the data. So what is the purpose, right? For example, that specific command. So let's say if you don't want to request anything from the user, right, and you want to let's say the internal operations, for example the schedulers, it will automatically call based on the configured. So in that case you can use that particular CLI command. Alright, so that is the main benefit I have found. If you already know different benefits, please comment in the comment section. Alright, so yeah, that is the main thing about this dask no HTTP CLI command. Alright, if you still have any doubt related to this topic, please comment below, and see you in our next session.